Okay guys, so check this out. I've been fighting with this all morning. Come on camera, get in focus. Anywho's, thing is completely threaded fine. It was fine and then it stopped working like mid-sewing. So I checked the bobbin. Very threaded bobbin. Bobbin's fine. Bobbin's done cool. Whatever. But just like, watch what happens when I actually turn the needle. So, come on. Thread goes down. Now you gotta get out of the way. Thread goes around. And then, nothing! And then it is in an eternal loop of nothingness. See? So then, let me put this damn thing down real quick. Ah. Mer?
Is it like a, like, what is it exactly that pulls the thread around the bobbin?
I don't know, the steely.
But
so like watch.
Because I would think that might be broken and that's why it's like letting go.
But it was like fine 5 seconds ago and I didn't hear like anything like break. Anyways. Voila. Sewing time. This is really hard to do with 2 hands. Voila. Ah, come here, honey. Sorry I'm abusing your machine, but I'm just mad at you. We pull it off. Get rid of this thread. And then, voila! I have this. Help.